I don't know if you have heard of 5 eyes, 7 eyes, 9 eyes or not, but I wanted to say this to you for a long time now. And guys, they are watching everything that you do. And right now, as you use the internet to surf, or let's say to shopping using your credit card or debit card, or to logging into Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, or on your smartphone, or even now, as I speak to you on the YouTube, they're constantly recording, storing, and analyzing all of your data for their own benefit. And if you look at the numbers according to the Who Tracks, 40% of the web traffic contains Google third-party scripts to track you down. Facebook accounts to roughly 15%, while Twitter and Microsoft accounts for roughly 4%. In short, whether you know or not, but Google knows where you are going on the Saturday nights. And not to mention the surveillance by the government and also the other government and other major private IT firms. No matter what you do, in today's world, you are being tracked and your privacy is in danger. But the time has come that this has to be stopped, or at least we can put a breaker in place. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly that. Hello and welcome to Crypto's Monopoly. My name is Daksh and today's video is about a cryptocurrency project that is working to make internet more private. So watch it all the way to the end to learn how you can protect yourself from the data theft while also making some money on the side. Let us get started. As I said earlier, privacy is becoming a myth nowadays. And after knowing of such privacy concerns regarding my data, I had one question. What can I do about it? Can I use a VPN for that? And my immediate response was, yes, why not? VPNs can also hide my IP addresses, but the problem with VPN is that they all are centralized services. And because of this, VPN providers has the ability to fully observe all the network traffic between me and the server, which means that they can also watch when I logged in into Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram and what I did there at any given time. So VPN was not the permanent solution for me. Now, another privacy-oriented thing on internet was TOR Network. And I thought I can also use that. And to be honest, TOR has solved this surveillance problem at some deep level by routing through various relays. And for those who don't know what the TOR network is, it is a secure encrypted protocol that can ensure privacy for data on the web. And you can get to know more about it on the internet. But the problem with TOR network was that it can easily be defeated by an intelligence agency that has the capacity to monitor the entire TOR network. This was also out of equation, and now I'm back at square one. But then while researching, I found out about an amazing project, and that project was called as NYM Network. In simple words, NYM wants to bring privacy back to the internet by creating an internet of its own. Now the problem that I realized was that when the internet first appeared in the early 1980s or 1990s, now its primary concern was to reach as many people as possible. And in this ambitious process, it has sacrificed many core properties on the way that are important to the overall growth of the internet. And the privacy is one of them. And the internet, as we know today, was not designed for privacy. But applications such as VPNs and TOR have tried to fill the void with their own limited characteristics, but the problem is that they all operate at the application level. And the major privacy issue on the internet arises on a much below level. So, to ensure the safe transmission of data and information, we require a network built on the core principle of privacy. And to fill this space, a project called NYM came into existence. It is made up of three things. The first one is the mixnet, the second one is anonymous credential crypto system, and the third is NYM Tokens. So let us understand what is mixnet. Mixnet is the internet of NYM, and it works on a very interesting principle. It is said that data is worthless if it is in parts. So what happens in mixnet is that they divide a person's data into different parts and then mix it with different people's data, and then it is transferred, and when it reaches the final destination, then it finally again merges into its original data, and this is how the things work on the entire mixnet program. And that provides us with extreme privacy. And this thing provides the privacy at the very core level. The second thing is anonymous credentials. And through its anonymous credentials feature, you can prove that you have the right to use the digital service of the NYM network without giving away your identity. You can use it in a variety of ways. You can use it to comply with banking regulations. You can control who has the access to your medical data, and you can also take participation in any online voting, and all of this without disclosing your identity. Now, The third part of this project is NYM tokens. And these are the tokens that will be used on the NYM network to sustain the project over the long term. Now that you know about NYM project, let's see how you can earn money through this. But before I tell you about that, let me tell you about the sponsor of this video and how you can make money using their platform. So this video is sponsored by OKX, and OKX is a cryptocurrency exchange that operates in over 200 countries. Now the best thing about OKX is the leverage they offer. OKX offers 125x leverage, meaning that only with $500 you can trade over 1 BTC and earn money just by predicting the right direction of the price. All you have to do is go to the OKX platform from the link I have added in the description down below, and if you do that, even I get to make some money. The next thing you have to do is sign up and log in into the account, deposit some USDT into the trading account. Now go to the trade option, click on the margin trading, and now choose futures. And now from here, you can select different crypto pairs to trade with. And all you have to do is now predict where the price of the crypto will move and enter a buy trade if you think that the price of the crypto will move up, and enter a sell trade if you think that the price of this crypto will move down. It is really that simple. Now, moving back to the video, you can make money by becoming a node operator, and you can also become a validator, but right now it is not open to the public, and you can also join its developer program. Now let's look at its tokenomics. NYM is the native token of the NYM mixnet ecosystem, and it can be used to maintain privacy, staking, run a NYM node, and other transaction fees. The total supply of NYM is 1 billion tokens with a market cap of $106 million. And right now, the circulating supply is around 63 million NYM, and currently they are traded at CoinList and OKX and many other different exchanges. The current price of the NYM token is $1.60, and if you are planning to invest in this coin, then I would suggest you to buy the dip. This is an amazing project, but this is not at all a financial advice. So if you want to invest, invest at your own risk. So this was all about the NYM project. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.